name's Maisie Hemstock and I also go by Maisie Drums on TikTok. I've been playing drums since I was 2 years old and I'm currently studying performance at the Waterbury College of Music in Sheffield. Alongside this, I'm also part of an up-and-coming shoegaze project, so keep an eye out for that. As for sticks, I predominantly use the Collision 5As and I've been dabbling in the Collision 5ARs as well recently. Now, as for this brand, they are so friendly. The staff have been so helpful in this whole process. The sticks are durable and I love the added length that this brand provides compared to other brands. Now here's my snippet of Breathe by The Prodigy. Enjoy, thank you.